Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, Not Your Ordinary Accountants, and these are our tidbits of today. And today, I don't want to talk to you about the lodgement of your BAS because being the 28th, for those who lodge quarterly BASs, it was due today. For those who think they need extensions of time, yes, we can get those extensions of time for you, but should you really be using them at this particular time of the year? It is my opinion that at this time of the year, you should do your BAS as early as possible, but you might very well use the extension to lodge it later on, but you need that information at your fingertips so you can start making informed decisions. And the first one we're going to do is look at some of the items on our balance sheet that will affect our profit as we're going along. And the first one is the debtors. If you account on an accruals basis, or a cash basis for that matter, now is the time to start looking at your debtors list and thinking about those that shouldn't be there, i.e. those ones that are bad debts, maybe those ones that we can defer down the track if on a cash basis we account for things as we bank them, or those that we should not invoice until later on. Now, it's always about the cash flow. So if we need to invoice and collect money in order to keep our business sustained, then we should do those at paramount. We should always take them as a paramount importance. Now, if then we can manipulate, and manipulate's a bad word I know, and the taxman won't like that, to ensure that income is deferred into the later periods, then that's something that we should start planning now so that we know that the cash flow is sustainable, so that we can pay the wages, we can pay the rent, we can pay those other expenses that will need to be paid, but ensure that we pay the least amount of tax as possible. And deferring income is one way that we do that. If you need any help with any of this stuff, please contact us at Banks Consultancy and we'll be more than happy to work your way through it. I'm Jeff Banks from Banks Consultancy and we are Not Your Ordinary Accountants.